We were gifted these faux boxwood plants. This comes in a set of 6. I thought I would show you how they come, what they look like, and just give you my general thoughts. So this is one of them. They come packaged individually like this, and each package has the top part and a little, it's like a metal stake almost that you can screw in. The bottom has a screw right here, so you can screw this in pretty easily. Okay. Then we can just fluff it. So you can pull it down a little bit, just give it some shape and open it up like that. It has a nice circular shape like this. I'm going to show you up close. The boxwood looks really realistic. Actually, I'm really happy and surprised with that. The flowers are, they're fabric and they don't look as realistic to me, but I did realize you can just pop them off. So if you're not a fan of the flowers, you can just pull them off, keep the boxwood, and that's pretty awesome. So I'm going to show you how I put them in my yard and what they look like outside. Okay, so this is our work in progress backyard, and I wanted some greenery back here, but I didn't want to pipe for the water. So it's kind of a perfect combination here. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the flowers on or if I'm going to pull them off. I'll probably just leave them for a couple days and see how I think. But it's like the perfect combination. It is UV resistant, and you know, you don't need to water it at all. So it won't die, which is fantastic because most of my flowers and plants like to die. But there's a close-up look. We could even fluff the flowers a little bit. Maybe spread them about. But the boxwood looks really nice, I think. We have some boxwood out front, and it looks pretty similar actually, so they're cute.